What?
You filled the whole thing up with this.
Yeah?
Eleanor.
What? I just want to fill your tank for you. What's the issue?
You actually put all that in there.
Yeah?
$11.
Yeah, you're welcome.
You used the green handle.
Yeah, I know.
That's diesel.
What?
This bike takes premium.
What's the difference?
You can't put diesel in a motorcycle. This bike's not gonna run.
Why?
Because it's not a diesel motor. How are we supposed to get? We literally can't get home now. You actually put that in there.
Yeah. I was just trying to do something nice.